All right, so we have our range kit here. This kit is designed to get everything you need to go to the range for a day and train, or go to a pistol class, at your local firearms training. So what you're going to get here is a holster shell and a mount for your shell, and the options here are for belt loops. So you can just thread your belt through here, and this is adjustable for the size of your belt. This is also another option is the paddle. So this just slides right inside your pants, in between your pants and belt, and mounts your holster there. And this is also adjustable for the size of your belt, or a tech lock. And this is pretty much like a belt loop. You just have the option to unclip it and take it off instead of undoing your belt. And this is also adjustable for the size of your belt. It'll fit most pistol belts and regular pants belts, and it is able to lock as well. So it's a little more secure. It's a bit more secure than a paddle, not quite as secure as a belt slide there. The kit also comes, the base model comes with 2 magazine carriers, and they're just going to come with belt clips like this. And you have the option to add as many pistol mag as you would like to. These pistol mags are also adjustable for retention. They have little screws here that will tune in how tight the magazine fits in here.